Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan are back together after years of rumors of separation. Yes, the duo were recently seen at the airport along with their daughter Aradhya, and they seemed happy, especially Aradhya. Well, Ash and Abhishek separation rumors were all over the internet for a few years now. Some said their relationship soured after Aishwarya's steamy scenes with Ranbir in the film Ye Dil Hai Mushkil. Some said Abhishek could not handle the success of Aishwarya, while some said Abhishek cheated on Aishwarya with Nimrat Kaur during the film shooting of Dasvi, after which rumors were high that the duo lived separately. While Abhishek lived with his parents, Aishwarya and Aradhya lived with Aishwarya's mom. That's also the reason why Aishwarya and Aradhya arrived separately during Ambani's wedding function, while Abhishek joined his parents and came separately. Yet there was no confirmation from both Aishwarya and Abhishek's side. And now, seeing them together as a family has made their fans happy, and many wished that everything between them is sorted now. Talking about reuniting, ex-lovers Ananya and Aditya were seen together attending the Sayyara success party. Yes, Ananya came to support her cousin Ahan Pandey, while Aditya came because of director Mohit Suri, as they worked together in Ashiki 2. Well, this was just a professional meetup. Ananya and Aditya started dating back in 2022. People quickly noticed how they were always seen together during parties, movie dates, and concerts. Shortly, the rumor became reality when they were publicly seen together. But sadly, they parted ways in early 2024 after dating for 2 long years. As of now, Ananya is rumored to be dating former model Walker Blanco, who also works for the Ambanis. The duo are often spotted together. In fact, Ananya was even seen wearing his initials as a pendant a while back. Moving on with the next news. Conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar wrote a letter to his rumored girlfriend Jacqueline from jail, addressing her as baby girl. In the letter, he mentioned that Jacqueline's latest viral song Dum Dum is not just a song for him, but a mirror reflecting their bond, their distance, and the ache of a connection that refuses to fade. He added that the lyrics are very familiar to their situation, 2 hearts apart, yet emotionally tethered. That's why, to honor his relationship with Jacqueline, he has organized a lucky draw for her fans. To participate, Sukesh has requested people to make Jacqueline's song the #1 song of 2025. If that happens, he has promised to give away 10 apartments worth 1 crore each to Jacqueline's fans. In total, he claims he will give away 10 crores worth of homes to her fans. Sukesh is currently behind bars for his involvement in a 200 crore money laundering case. Reportedly before his arrest, he was in a relationship with Jacqueline. During that time, Sukesh gifted Jacqueline luxury cars, designer bags, Persian cats, diamond jewelry, and even a horse. These gifts were reportedly worth around 7 crores. Since the money used for these gifts wasn't from a verified source, Jacqueline also faced legal trouble due to accepting them. Reportedly, Jacqueline denied any romantic link with Sukesh, especially after his arrest. Still, Sukesh continues to write letters to her from jail time and again. In the same case, actress Nora Fatehi had a similar experience. Sukesh reportedly approached not just Jacqueline but also Nora Fatehi. She too received luxury gifts from him and had to face legal scrutiny to verify their origins. Later, Nora clarified that the gifts were given to her by Sukesh's wife, Lena Maria Paul, and it was strictly a professional interaction, nothing personal.
Please like and subscribe.